There, it's going. Okay, you just film all that over there, Daddy and the bobcat. Should be slabs. There we go. There we go. You get it?
Yeah.
You film that? Film all that? Good girl.
Look what else I can do.
Keep filming it there. That's the girl. Oh, look where Daddy went with the Don's bobcat. Silly man. Silly Daddy, isn't it?
Yep, silly Dad.
Silly Daddy, he had too many beers.
Yep.
Didn't he, drunken bum?
Just display. I hit it hard and you're not allowed to get that thing off.
Oh, yeah, no, that's a protective coating.
That's Daddy's little bobcat.
He's out.
Woohoo, Dad's out. And big buttons to turn it off too. I'm going backwards.
Big slosh pot.
Yucky!
6 cans, 5 or 6.
Dad,
Oh, sure, yeah, good swimmer.
Dad, those golf balls broken. Look. Dad, look at those golf ball things. Dad.
So that's, if you would have left that side up, you would have got out.
Yeah, the right angle there, you done well. Well, I'll catch you later on, alright?
Bye, Don.
Get it,
I know what to do.